Hi there, my name is Dan Scott and I'm an Adobe certified instructor here at Envato Tuts Plus. And together, me and you are going to learn everything you need to know to get started with Adobe Photoshop. Now this course is for absolute beginners. There is no need to have any previous Photoshop knowledge or any photography or design knowledge for that matter. Okay, we're going to start right at the beginning and work our way through step by step. Now, we're not going to go through every single tool and every one of its features. What we're going to do is we're going to work through real-world practical examples in Photoshop. Then we'll learn the tools and features necessary to make it really an amazing image. We'll start by getting the most out of our photographs, correcting the light and the color, also how to change the colors completely in Photoshop. We'll spend some time with text, showing you how to distort it along with all of its effects. I'll share some amazing cropping and resizing tricks, as well as exciting ways to transform and distort images so we can fake mockups like this. I'll show you all my special retouching tricks, cleaning up small imperfections, as well as removing larger parts from images. Before the end of this course, you'll be able to make simple masks like this, but you'll also have the skills for super tricky masks like this out of focus here. There's lots more as well, like mastering layers, knowing the best practices for exporting images and sharing them. It's just a really good foundation for getting started with Photoshop. I set some exercises through the course so that you can practice the skills while you're learning. So if you've never opened up Photoshop or you've opened it and you've struggled with it, follow me and I will show you the best ways to make beautiful images in Adobe Photoshop.